Good evening, welcome to the Casual Study Talks. Today I am talking about what I have studied till now in JavaScript basics. I have learned that about JavaScript basics. Today I have learned that how to give a variable a name, and I write it a program in which it prints. Uh, let's see the program. I've titled it JavaScript types, in which I have declared a variable with name, variable with a name, and the name is equals to prompt which is shown by this. And what is your name? Document write name document. So what is the function of this variable? It stores the variable, it declares the variable called name. When we put the value inside the name to prompt what is your name, now as you can see, if we refresh the page, is prompt what is your name. So we enter it in my name. I have entered it. Now it says document write name. It printed the name here, as you can see in the left side on the top. Now the next line is document write h1 plus name plus h1, which means that it's a header tag. So it's print out the name in the header 1 form, h1 tag. Now the next line, which is document write, which is this line, document write name plus 7 plus br. It shows in here name and 7 or br, and br stands for the break in lines, so that the line doesn't start with the end of the previous line but to the next line. That's why br is used. It is called break the line. The next line we have document write document dot title br, which is shown here. It displays the title of the page, which is here is shown JavaScript type, and also shown in here on the top. It print out this. Now the another one is where prepared physical document get by. These 3 lines of code are only executed when the paragraphs are present. As you can see here, it print out object HTML connection 0. It is why it print out that because there is no paragraph in our code. So it print out 0. As I enter a paragraph in my code and write like let's use empty paragraphs for example, and save it and write my name and write my name again. It shows 4. So why? Because it have 4 paragraphs in the code, so it shows 4. That is the output of this code. And by this code we learn about the variable name, the variable prompt, how to declare a variable, how to declare inside a variable name, how to write a variable name, how to write the document how to write the title of the page, how to document get element by tag p, which is the paragraph, document write paragraph plus, which is 4 document paragraph length. This, as we write something in the paragraph, like we do JavaScript programming. Now see what's happened. It's print on the above, not inside, because it's above. So that's